Let's be honest, everybody's talking about glass skin, but no one's really talking about how to get that glow on melanin. Because here's the truth. Black skin doesn't need to look lighter to glow. It needs to look hydrated, even, and alive. And when your skin barrier is healthy, when your texture is smooth, when your skin tone is balanced, that's when your glow hits different. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get glass skin as a black girl. No makeup, no crazy filters, just real, dewy, radiant skin. This is the exact routine and mindset that made me fall back in love with my bare face. Step 1. Double cleanse like a goddess. You can't glow if your pores are clogged. Period. Start with an oil-based cleanser. It melts off sunscreen, sweat, and buildup without stripping your natural oils. Then follow with a gentle foaming cleanser, something fragrance-free and hydrating. This is where most people go wrong. They think scrubbing equals to clean. But soft, consistent cleansing is what gives your skin that see-through clarity. Cleanse like you're caring for your skin, not fighting it. Step 2. Hydration over everything. Glass skin is hydrated skin, not oily, not dry. Balanced. Use a hydrating toner or essence with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or snail mucin. Yes, it works magic for melanin. Pat, don't rub. Let your skin drink it in. Then, layer a light hydrating serum. Look for something with niacinamide or panthenol to even texture and strengthen your barrier. Your skin should feel bouncy, not sticky. That's how you know she's happy. Step 3. Lock it in with luxury. After hydration comes sealing. Use a moisturizer that matches your skin type. Gel-based if you're oily. Cream-based if you're dry. Lightweight lotion if you're combo. And please never skip SPF. Melanin glows best when it's protected. You can't heal hyperpigmentation or texture if you're still letting UV damage undo your work. Your sunscreen is your anti-aging, anti-dullness, anti-hyperpigmentation secret weapon. Pro tip: try Black Girl Sunscreen or Eucerin Oil Control SPF. They don't leave a cast, and they leave your skin glazed. Step 4. Weekly maintenance equals to texture glow. You know that smooth, blurred look you see on skincare influencers? That's not a filter, that's exfoliation done right. Once or twice a week, use a gentle chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid. Skip harsh scrubs. They can tear your barrier and cause microhyperpigmentation. Follow with a hydrating mask or sheet mask after exfoliating. This rehydrates the skin and gives that fresh, dewy, I just came from a facial glow. Tip: add a drop of facial oil into your moisturizer at night. It locks in moisture and creates that glassy finish naturally. Step 5. The inner glow up. Your skin can't glow if your lifestyle is draining it. Drink water. Sleep. Eat fruits that hydrate, like oranges, watermelon, and cucumber. And don't underestimate vitamins. Vitamin C, E, and zinc help your skin repair faster. Also, manage your stress. When you're anxious, your cortisol spikes, which literally dulls your glow. Your skin reflects your peace. So, take care of your energy the same way you take care of your pores. Step 6. The finishing touch: glow like money. Now here's the trick. Don't chase the glass. Chase the glow barrier. That natural, healthy sheen that makes your face look moisturized, not greasy. Mix a drop of glow oil with your moisturizer, or layer a glow serum under makeup if you wear any. That's it. Hydrated, protected, nourished skin that literally reflects light. When your barrier is happy, your reflection glows. And the best part? It's all melanin-friendly, realistic, and sustainable. So yeah, glass skin on dark skin is possible. It's not about changing your skin, it's about honoring it. Stay consistent, hydrate daily, protect your glow with SPF. And remember, your skin doesn't need to look like anyone else's to be beautiful. Because the real glass skin isn't fake shine. It's that calm, clean, hydrated confidence that says, I love being in my own skin. Comment, my glow era starts now. Below, if you're starting your glass skin journey today. See you in the next video.